Who's in the mood for noodles? This is Luis Medrano from livingrawvegan.com, and today we're gonna make a vegan lo mein Chinese recipe, perfect for dinner or meal prepping. Let's get started. Remember to click the links in the description below where you could find a printable version of this recipe, as well as other resources to help you succeed with the vegan lifestyle, help you reach your health and fitness goals, the plant-based whole food lifestyle. Check out the description below, and don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share the video. Thank you. So first you want to bring a pot of water to boil. Go ahead and add your noodles. Make sure you cook them, but leave them a little undercooked so that you can cook them a little later in veggie broth. Go ahead and drain your noodles. Let them cool for a bit. You want to heat up some veggie broth in a cooking pan and let the noodles cook further in the veggie broth, and then set aside. Heat up some more veggie broth. Add about a cup of chopped onion, 2 diced red bell peppers, about 1.5 cups of shredded carrots, and about 2 cups of broccoli cut into small pieces. And go ahead and stir that up and let that cook in the veggie broth. Once the onion is translucent and it's cooked a while, go ahead and add some garlic powder and some salt and pepper to taste. Add about a cup of corn, about 10 chopped up shiitake mushrooms. Add a package of snow peas, about a handful. If you get it by the pound, just get a nice sized handful, add it in there. And about 2 cups of chopped green cabbage. Once again, mix that up very well. Make sure it cooks thoroughly, but not overcooked. While this is cooking, go ahead and prepare your sauce in a small bowl. You want to add about 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of tamari soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha. If you want to make it less spicy, omit it or add some more for some extra spice. Go ahead and throw your sauce into the pan. Make sure you get all of it, every last drop. And then go ahead and mix it up. Make sure the sauce spreads evenly. Once you've mixed the sauce up and everything looks good, go ahead and add your noodles. And then mix it all up until you have a nice... Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know what you want to see in future videos. Again, this is Luis Medrano from livingrawvegan.com. Don't forget to visit my website where you can find other helpful resources to help you succeed and be the healthiest and fittest you've ever been with the whole foods, plant-based vegan lifestyle. Peace.